All right, so getting ready to put this motor back together. When I was taking it apart, I noticed the moon key was all messed up. Focus. So what happened was the eccentric for the water, or for the fuel pump was loose, and it was moving back and forth and messing up that key. And they want $20 for one of these plus shipping online to get them shipped to my house, and I could not find what size they were to just order a generic version. So I went to Harbor Freight and I got the closest. I got a kit, and this is the closest one I can find. It's just a little bit thicker. So I think what I'm gonna do, just take sandpaper and sand these edges down until it'll pound into the cam. Not pound, I'm not gonna ruin it, but just enough so that it'll fit. But and then I can put everything back together, because that's all I'm waiting for right now. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'll come back to you guys after. All right, so I finally got it ground down. Here's the cam. Pain in the butt, but there she is. Oh. Give it a little tap with the hammer. Like so. And then timing gear slips right on. I don't think there's not enough play to say so, hopefully. Pretty good. All right. Next is gonna be a time lapse of me putting this motor together, because you already saw it with that one. So now this one's turned. And we'll come back to you when I either have a part I don't have, I broke something, or I finished. Alright, so I don't know why I keep opening all these videos with alright, but I'll keep doing it, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna prime this pump just to make sure everything's fine. I know it's like anal of me, but I'm gonna show you guys how while I'm at it. See, drive in. And if you do that right now, see there's no suction on the intake side. But if you take some oil, some assembly lube, something, and you put it down this side, doesn't matter which side, and you rotate it. Make sure how much as you can see on video, there we go. And it starts building suction. So that's how you know it's primed anyway, or it's a good pump anyway. Just a little suction you'll feel. It's not a ton, because it's not spinning 1,000 RPM or whatever, but it's enough to tell. You can feel it in the gear more than you can feel the suction here. You can feel it kind of like get harder to spin. You can feel the pump actually working. So That's what you want to look for. All right, so here's how far we got so far. We is an I. I don't know how normal this is, but these are all tight. There's one loose one, but they're all tight, which makes me think that they're maxing out the plunger and the lifter. So I got these, some shims, and today I'm gonna throw some of them in and see if I can't get rid of some of that extra preload. The other motor is the exact opposite. The rockers are loose, and now this one's tight, so we'll see. Tried the rocker shims out, and they really just made them loose, so I guess I'm running them all stiff like this and hoping it works. A couple, like it acts like the lifters have like pumped up with sitting in the oil, like they're stiff, and some have a little give in them, like this one and this one, but I don't think they're fully all the way compressed. They look like they're not. I'm not sure, but I guess we're gonna run it and see. I don't know.